It's time to say hello to the new models of Amazon Fire TV Stick which have just been introduced in the recently held Alexa All Devices event. Now before I begin, let me introduce myself. I am Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations, serving in this industry since last 7+ years and have an experience of about 800 odd projects across India. Well, today in this video we are going to talk about the new Fire TV Stick models which have just been announced in this Alexa devices event held by Amazon just 3 days ago. So they have come up with a new range of Fire TV Stick. We know that we have been talking about Fire TV Stick a lot because that's like a primary source of content for all the budget home cinema systems that people have been using, or even rather we have been delivering. And for that reason this video is going to be very special because we are going to talk about the Fire TV Stick. Now I know we have just explained in our last video the differentiation or the product comparison between the Mi Box 4K as well as the Fire TV Stick. If you haven't checked that, make sure that you use the link above and check that video as well. And this Fire TV Stick 2020 models, they have launched basically two models. One is your Fire TV Stick which is with Dolby Atmos and HDR, and the second model is what they call it as Fire TV Stick Lite. So we are going to explore both these models, but before I begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here right now, because your subscription encourages me and my team to continuously bring more and more such valuable information based videos which will help each one of you make better, well informed and wise decisions when it comes to buying anything and everything in home technology industry. Well, Fire TV Stick, as I said, it's been very close to us because we have been using that a lot, and I'm sure most of you have also been using them as a primary source of content or primary OTT streaming player. So as I said, Fire TV Stick have launched two products. So we are going to start with the lower version obviously. So the Fire TV Stick Lite. Now why is it called Lite, and what is it that they are offering in this? Now Amazon says that this is their most cheapest streaming player that they have introduced till now. So the Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite is 50% more powerful than the older model, which is the Fire TV Stick Full HD version. It does not have 4K support obviously, but it is still given an HDR support. Now it does not have Dolby Atmos, but it has a good Dolby Digital Surround support. It is basically priced at around MRP is around 4,000, and Amazon is selling it at 3,000 rupees because they are going to do the bookings for this particular device, and I am going to help you with the bookings as well with the link in the comment section, because you can pre-book this model only at 3,000 rupees. So as I said, this is Amazon's most cheapest budget streaming player that they have launched till date. Now one of the drawbacks of that Fire TV Stick Lite is that unlike the new the models that were launched last year in the Full HD and 4K version, they were given TV soundbar or your AVR control. With this particular remote of the Fire TV Stick Lite, you don't have that as an option. So basically you will have to use two separate remotes. The other drawback is obviously no Dolby Atmos, because that's where you have to spend a little extra money for the Atmos audio, but yet they claim that this is 50% more powerful than the previous generation. So that's the first Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite product that Amazon has announced. The second product is the Amazon Fire TV Stick, which is with Dolby Atmos and HDR support. So they have given you a great audio as well as video support. So with audio obviously Dolby Atmos is fantastic, and the HDR, it's not just HDR by the way, they have given HDR 10+ support. They have also given HLG, which is high log gamma support. So both these supports are there, but one thing that is missing is that they don't have 4K. Now you may say that hey, it has got HDR, why do I need 4K? Well, 4K is all about resolutions, whereas HDR or the HLG or all these other formats are more about the color reproduction on the screen. So yes, it's a good win that you can get more vibrant colors from this Fire TV Stick now, but one of the drawbacks is it is not 4K. So whether you should spend that one extra 1,000 to buy the 4K version, or should you stick with this Fire TV Stick with Dolby Atmos and HDR, let us see that in the coming time. And don't forget to drop in your reviews about the 4K or the older generation of Fire TV Stick. Now, what are the certain changes in this models is what we are going to talk about. Well, as I said, this particular Fire TV Stick is again 50% more powerful. Now, why is that so? Well, in the earlier generations, they use 1.3 GHz quad core processor. In this model, they have given a 1.7 GHz quad core processor. So that is where the performance increases. It is supporting 1080p at 60 frames per second, which is again good news. The other benefit I see compared to the older Fire TV Stick, there were few complaints about connections being constantly dropped because the Wi-Fi support was not very great. Now with this particular device, they have given dual band, dual antenna Wi-Fi support, which is also valid for a 5 GHz network. So even if you have that great streaming speed, you can rather internet speed, you can connect this Fire TV Stick wirelessly to those devices, and you will see very less dropped connections, which means that you will get more stable streaming with this Fire TV Stick, which is with Dolby Atmos and HDR. Now, another benefit of this particular Fire TV Stick is that it consumes 50% less power compared to the older model. So that's where you would save on your electricity bills. I know they don't contribute too much, but still a win is a win after all. The TV soundbar or AVR control is again there with this particular model, so you can control all these devices with this. It is priced at around 5,000 rupees MRP, and currently Amazon is offering this particular product for pre-booking at 4,000 rupees only. Now this model also comes with Bluetooth 5.0 compared to the earlier model, which was 4.1. So these are certain wins of these individual models. Now when I have to talk about the common features of both this Fire TV Stick Lite as well as Fire TV Stick which is with Dolby Atmos and HDR, well, we have spoken about the Amazon's interface in our past video, and I'm sure that you have agreed with our views over there. So what Amazon has actually done, I can't say that they listen to us, but yes, they have reinvented their user interface, and I have heard that it's more simpler and more better now. They have also given a search option for genre based search. Like let's say if I want to watch a romantic movie or a comedy movie or an action movie, you can basically search based on the genres. You can also search based upon the categories, which is family, adult, kids, etc. Also, they have given this time a profile selection, so you can create various profiles just the way you do it in your Netflix account, and you can have separate profiles for your kids, for your parents, for yourself, for your friends, etc. And they claim that at a time 6 people can use this Fire TV Stick with different profiles. So that's another good point with the new Fire TV Sticks. Another win is that I don't know how many people honestly use that Alexa voice control, because I know to some extent that was not much popular. There were not too much of things to control, but with this newer device you can actually control a lot of things because they have given that many command option. The another benefit is that if your Alexa recognizes your voice, you can just say, hey Alexa, switch to my profile, and Alexa can actually switch to your profile. So over there I have seen that they have done good improvements, but the only thing, as I said, with all these two launches, one thing that they have not given is they have not given 4K. So probably we'll have to wait for 6 more months or probably a year's time for that 4K model. Until then, I think for all the people who are actually willing to buy this Fire TV Stick with their TVs or with their Full HD projectors, I think you have got a better option now to invest in a good Fire TV Stick which is much more advanced, much more powerful, and has got much more features than the previous models. Now let me just show you where can you find them on the Amazon.in. Obviously we'll be sharing the links for this. So this is the Fire TV Stick Lite. As you all can see, this product is priced at 2,999. The item, as they say, is going to release in India on 15th of October. So they are taking the pre-bookings right now, and the new model, which is their Fire TV Stick Generation 3, is priced at around 4,000 rupees, and that is also available for pre-booking. So I'm going to leave a link for this particular thing which you can use to buy or to book this particular product. And till then, I would love to understand that what is your view upon this Fire TV Stick new models. If you have loved them, if you're really looking forward for them, and I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant, will see you in my next video. Till then, keep liking and keep sharing our videos. Thank you once again.